We are Psycho Pops, and this is a giveaway from our friends at Gotta Funko, and we're going to tag his Instagram and tag their YouTube channel below. This is a giveaway that I won. This is Jade Shenron, and I was lucky enough to win this, and my girlfriend is going to open it. So, do you want to open it now, honey?
I would love to.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, well, I need a knife.
Oh, a knife. I think I have one of those. Here. Have a knife.
It's pretty big. Like, it's bigger than the box. Thinking maybe something a little smaller?
Smaller.
Perhaps? A little bit?
A little smaller. How about this?
This is just right.
Okay.
Alright. So, let's get on in here.
And if our kitty gets in the way, that's Jazzy. It's a very nice calico.
Want to be careful. Don't want to nick anything in there.
No box cutters. You want the big knife?
No, I'm good. I think that might make this a little bit more complicated.
The big knife will help.
No, we're
You want
good.
the big knife?
We're good. Good. Move that way. Thanks.
Here, it's right here if you want it. Captain Pop would like this. It's practically a sword.
It really is. It's especially to me being pretty tiny. Oh man. Alrighty. So inside
Here it
this
is.
box, I'm seeing lots of bubble wrap. I love it.
We have bubble wrap Shenron. Maybe you can do a balloon wrapped animal like a clown does. The balloon animal, but with pop.
No, thank
Bubble
you.
wrap.
Oh, there's so much bubble wrap in here. Gotta Funko knows how.
Now this is
to
important, and I
package.
let my girlfriend open this because she loves dragons.
I do.
Like
Dragons are the best.
if she met a dragon that was nicer than me, she would probably leave me.
Oh, I don't know about that. Just
I
be
do.
A pet.
It's very well bubble wrapped.
It
Bubble
is.
wrapped all around the box. And the box was a little crushed because, you know,
That's our
UPS
postal
does
service
that.
store.
Yeah, they play soccer with it. But luckily, I think the Jade Shenron is going to be just fine.
I think it is.
Jazzy's inspecting it, and it may meet approval or not approval.
Are we good?
And she says, I love bubble wrap.
It's chewable, so we're good. A+ on the bubble wrap. It's kitty approved. Can I maybe switch it around here? I want to cut some of this tape here.
We apologize. This is our first video, so the quality is going to be bad. I do have a nice video camera, but I didn't have time to set it up, and I promised I'd make this video as soon as I could. So we're getting it out. Jazzy's itching her ear with her back foot. Don't you wish you could do that?
Just trying to be really careful with this. There's a lot of tape on here,
And you don't want to anger the dragon,
Absolutely not.
you know.
Absolutely not.
Jazzy's trying to help there at the bottom. His head is upside down, and she's chewing the bubble wrap.
That's very sweet of her to do that.
Our veterinarian Diane would not like that.
Not at all. Never ingested any, so that's good. Just must like the taste of it, the texture. I don't know.
I think people are falling asleep watching this video.
I know. I'm trying to be like careful.
You
about
guys made it
though.
too hard for her. She can't open it.
I do appreciate all the tape on it though, because that really helps keep everything in place, obviously. So.
We work in the mental health field. You can't complicate things for us.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm in the mental health field. This is stuff that's a little bit too complex for me.
Do you want this?
I really don't. I feel like that is gonna...
Do you want this? This will help, I think.
No.
And it's not like it's a Geneva Convention and you're solving world peace.
There's just so much bubble wrap.
There is. Don't damage the box trying to open it with all the safety wrapping.
I know. That's why I'm trying to be careful about
Wow,
it.
it's huge. You should have used this because it's a big box. This is our first...
Oh man, there are layers of bubble wrap.
This is our first 6-inch pop, right? If you don't count Jaws, but
yeah,
he's
you
a
don't
different
count
shape.
Shaw. Yeah. other than that, this will definitely be our
Jazzy's
first
trying to
one.
help. Jazzy, why are you chewing bubble wrap?
It's not for kittens. All of the toys
Wow.
we give you.
This is really cool.
This
I
is
really want to thank you
awesome.
guys for offering this up. It's a very generous, very, very generous giveaway. Look at that. It's perfect.
And not to mention,
So cool.
it's my favorite color. Dragons,
Fox is
green.
perfect too. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. We are very happy, and you guys are awesome for offering this. Very generous, and it's our first video, but we'll do more. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
We
We love
really
you guys.
appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thanks
it
again.
was great. We could hardly wait to open it until we both got back on our same work schedule so we could do it.
Indeed.
So
Thanks.
thank you very much. Psycho Pops out. And do you want this knife?
To do what?
I don't know. You have to fight a dragon with
I-
a knife, maybe.
I think maybe you're just trying to show this off.
No, okay. All right. Goodbye, everybody.